Good Saturday morning to First Alert meteorologist Melissa Nora talking about your weekend outlook. We have yellow weather alerts both today and tomorrow for showers and thunderstorms. Now for Saturday specifically, we're going to start today dry. It is hot, it is humid outside, and then storms most likely after 2 p.m. this afternoon. For Sunday, a little cooler in the 70s with more showers and storms. That will be likely. So we're going to break down the timing of both of those days. Storm threats. Number one threat this weekend is going to be locally heavy rain. Just like the past couple of weekends, our ground is saturated. Can't take much more in before we start to deal with flooding issues. So that's what I'm monitoring for this weekend. Storms on Saturday could also contain some locally gusty winds, some stronger wind gusts. So we're watching out for an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. Futurecast. A little bit of fog early this morning, burning off by 10 a.m. It's hot and humid at lunchtime, and we should start your afternoon mostly dry. But especially after 2 p.m., look at Futurecast 2:30 today. We have some showers and storms. Not everybody's getting one all afternoon, but they'll be scattered in nature with some locally heavy rain, few gusty winds possible. Futurecast 4:30. More storms, especially around D.C. at 4 o'clock today. We'll carry into the evening more showers and storms with locally heavy rainfall possible. And then we're going to do it all again for Sunday. Now, just like today where we start the day dry and we end it wet, I think Sunday is very similar. We will see some isolated showers around Sunday morning. But I think as we get past about 9 o'clock in the morning, that's when we start to see more showers and storms bubbling up. This is Futurecast 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Showers and storms, locally heavy rain. And we'll keep more rounds of showers and thunderstorms with that flooding threat ongoing as we go through Sunday night and into Monday. Nats forecast for today, Giants in town, and you can catch the Stanley Cup there before the first pitch, which Alex Ovechkin is going to be throwing out. Temperatures in the 80s. We start the game dry. Very late in the game, thunderstorm possible by the very end of it, but that's more like ninth inning and heading home type of deal rather than the first 4 or 5 innings. Capitol Pride Parade today, 4:30. Make sure once you find your spot along that parade route that you're going to watch the parade. Make sure you're finding a place of shelter because I do think we're going to have some storms around during the parade, especially the first half of that parade. Expecting temperatures in the 80s, showers and storms, especially between 4 and 6 o'clock. We should still see a few more lingering at 8, but hopefully cross your fingers we can start to dry things out. Sunday forecast starting off with just an isolated shower or storm in the morning. Storms becoming more likely later in the day that we go. It's cooler Sunday with more clouds around. We're only going to be in the 70s. Looking ahead towards Tuesday, we start a drying trend on Tuesday, but still a stray shower possible Tuesday for the Capitals Stanley Cup Championship Victory Parade. Hey, it's on the National Mall at 11 o'clock. More details on where that parade route's going to be on our WUSA 9 app. 3-day outlook, yellow weather alerts through Monday. We've got 80s today, hot and humid, storms later this afternoon. More showers and storms for Sunday and Monday. Just an isolated shower on Tuesday, highs up to 80 degrees. 90 degrees for Wednesday. Looks like towards the end of our 7-day forecast. Doesn't look all wet for the end of the work week, but we'll still keep a few isolated showers in the forecast.